Hi, and welcome back to Encrypted. Today we are going over how to mine Dash on your mobile phone, what pool to use, and how long you can expect before a payout. Dash is a great choice to mine because it has a very powerful network with extremely low fees and is insanely fast. Let's head over to Zergpool and scroll down until we find the miner command line generator. We will enter our information into the available fields, make sure to choose your payout currency as Dash, and add your Dash wallet address. I recommend starting with the S script and letting the miner run for a few days, and then switching to another algorithm for further testing. For some mobile users with newer phones they are willing to mine on, the Kryptonite UPX algorithm will probably be your best option. Some phones hash about 8 or 10 times more efficiently based on power consumption and total hash submitted, in comparison to GPU or CPU mining. My R9 390 running at 350 watts only hashes about 30 kilohash a second on Kryptonite UPX. And let's take for example an LG V30 gets around 6 to 8 kilohash using over 300 less watts. Optimization will always depend on your phone, so you'll have to do some testing in order to get the best performance out of your phone. While setting up your AA miner, don't forget to use a QR code scanner to make the process a little easier for the fields like your wallet address. I personally think this step is the most important because it reduces the chance of entering a wrong character, and just one wrong character in the wrong place can stop the miner from executing properly. Pay close attention to your password field to make sure you are mining the correct coin and your payout is correct as well. If you have issues submitting shares because of the network difficulty, you can always try setting the difficulty manually as seen here on Zergpool. I provided links to Dash's homepage, Block Explorer, AA Miner APK download, and Zergpool in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay encrypted.